Iporanga House by Angrimani Arquitetura. Summer house of 700 square meters, located in Guarujá, on Iporanga Beach. The family's wish, a young couple and a young son, was for a hippie chic-style residence, modern, with natural finishes, and high-end designer furniture, but without neglecting the laid-back concept. To this end, it was necessary to carry out a complete layout remodel, as well as an expansion of the built area. As it is located in an environmental preservation territory, the team faced some challenges during the renovation, such as condominium and public sector approvals, as well as restrictions to build beyond what was already established and built as a conventional concrete structure. Therefore, interferences were encountered during the demolition phase, and the project was adjusted as needed throughout the renovation. The main demands were a spacious and unobstructed living room integrated with the swimming pool, as well as a master suite, and the inclusion of another bedroom. During the renovation, the old living room went through a demolition process, and the project team then covered the space with a metallic structure, having in mind a new environment with fewer pillars and structural elements, creating amplitude and a higher ceiling. The service area, which used to occupy a noble part of the property, was transferred to the old bedroom area, allowing for an open and integrated social environment. The expansion also made it possible to extend the master suite and add another bedroom. The ground level, which provides direct access to the garden, went through changes in all the openings, contributing to improvements in what was previously considered a problem: natural lighting and cross-ventilation. In its distribution, the house is divided into 2 floors. The ground floor concentrates on the social, leisure, and service areas, plus 4 suites. In the second, there are 2 suites, one of them being the master. The highlights for each space: in the living room, there is the entrance garden, tall windows, fireplace, integration with the barbecue area and swimming pool, and the doors that open completely, creating a living patio looking at the green landscape. In the leisure area, a sauna covered in stone and the barbecue that can be integrated into the living room or not, with sliding doors. The swimming pool is camouflaged with the vegetation. In the TV room, the wooden panel and lining bring warmth. The bedrooms are minimalist, with few elements, but with large openings facing the garden. The master suite has a bed area, TV room, office, closet, and balcony, all in a single room, providing a place for the couple to have privacy when the house is at full occupancy. As a whole, Cumaru wood and stone are the predominant finishes, keeping in line with a light palette. In addition to the architectural features, there is a significant art and design collection, focusing on Brazilian pieces, including names such as Sergio Rodriguez, Jader Almeida, Carlos Mata, Claudia Moreira Salas, and the painting in the dining room by Aldemir Martins.